Howdy ho, guys and gals, it's Red, your friendly neighborhood tool bear, back again here in the Den of Tools, and you need to stop what you're doing, because the bear's got a hot, smoking hot, welding, spark flying kind of hot deal for you today. Now, YesWelder, well, maybe you don't know who YesWelder is, maybe you're in the dark about him, but YesWelder has been a friend of the channel for a while. We've been talking about them, they've sent us some stuff, we've been doing some great deals. They're kind of a newer company on the market, and they've been making a huge splash. Why? Well, how about just really good quality machines at an incredible price, lots of cool accessories, and building a great community as well for welders, creators, other people who build and weld and do stuff like that. They've really been putting it out there. Now, they've got this deal going on right now. This isn't the hot part of the deal. This is just the deal. It gets spicier, okay? I promise. All right, we got the MIG stick TIG 3-in-1 for $440. We got the plasma cutter dual voltage at $460. Those are both great deals. On the far right, we got in the stealth black. We got the 250 amp MIG, and it is, as they say there, spool gun capable. But the real one we need to talk about is this one right here, because people are always asking me, like, good deals on TIG welders. I need something that can do some serious TIG, but isn't going to cost some serious coin. And don't worry, we're going to do better on this price. Normally $1,000 is 250 amp ACDC TIG aluminum. It will do aluminum, okay? Welder with pulse, okay? Let's take a look at it here. This is a solid welder. It's got some really solid reviews. I've talked to some people who have this welder. They think it's phenomenal for the price, and that's at $750. Now, last night, I saw this show up on their website, and I was about to do a deal on it, or same video, actually, but it was listed at $600 rather than $750, and it was still showed summer sale, extra 20% off. Now, 20% off of $600, that's $120 off. That's a sub $500 250 amp ACDC TIG welder. Are you kidding? Well, sadly, it was too good to be true. Went to apply the code, and it didn't work. It didn't work. I have a contact over there, reached out to contact, and they said, sorry, it was a typo. It was supposed to, the final price is supposed to be $600, because if you apply this $200 off, it comes out to $750, which is a good deal. It's a solid deal. But is it a spicy chipmunk enchilada deal? No, but we're going to get you there, okay? Because look at this. This is the 250p, TIG 250p ACDC. Well, and they've got a bunch of other ones and stuff, but we also got the TIG 250 ACDC. Now, hold on. Let me come over here. Let me put the two next to each other. I'm going back and forth there. The picture's the same. The model number is the same, but this is listing at $600. So basically, it's the same deal. I think they created a new page. Same deal, $600 at checkout. Okay, that's great, right? Where's the spiciness? Well, here comes the sriracha. We put it in the cart, $600. It was working before. I'm going to try it right now. There's another code out there that's not talked about. It's TIG, all uppercase, _ devil. All right? Hit apply. This should take 10% off. Now, it's already on sale down to $600. And the verdict is, boom, $60 off. $60 off. That's $540 for a $1,000 welder. This is almost a 50% off deal. The shipping, remember, shipping on this, it says calculated at the next step. Shipping on these things, right here, free domestic shipping on all the welders. So if you're buying it in the States, it's free, okay, for the free shipping. Sorry, I went too far there. Anyway, $600 on that. That is, now you may have to pay taxes. Now, if I have it shipped to my Montana address, no taxes. Because, we're cool like that. Anyway, that's a screaming deal on that. Now, check this out. I just kind of got a glimpse of it. One of the ones I'm a big fan of is their 130 amp. Because let me back up. This is not a beginner welder, okay? Now, you can do some beginning stuff with it, but TIG is an art form, okay? I love it. They show it, come down here. They show it like it works with a foot controller. You got the AC squared pulsed TIG. That's fantastic. Multi-process, yada, yada, yada. Come down here, and they show this. You will not be laying down stacks like that when you first get this thing if you're not already an expert, okay? That's years and years of practice to make something that looks like that kind of work of art, all right? Just to be fair. But if you're looking to start off, just dip your toes in welding. The gasless MIG, aka flux core, is a fantastic way to do it. It is the hot glue gun of welding. You just grab the stick, you get it hot, you lay it down, and you can stick metal to metal. That's all it takes. Now, that said, $180 on this, down from $200. That's a great deal, right? Well, guess what? I don't know. I don't know what made me do it. I was having a good day, had a good nap, got up, stretched, rubbed my back up against a tree, and I thought, you know what? I wonder. Boom! The TIG Devil code works on this too, knocking another 10% off. That's $18 it's dropping off that price. So you're looking at basically $180. It's going to be what, $162 plus tax and stuff. Again, if you're in one of those tax-free states, God love you. I can't wait to get back there. But that said, that is a screaming deal on that little welder. It's a great starter kind of welder. I'm going to have a link down below to both of these you can check out. Also, they are, they've got a lot of other stuff, and they have a lot of other sales going on. You can bump through here and take a look at it. They have some fantastic stuff. Anyway, as I said, I'll put a link down there. This is, I don't know, honestly, I did not reach out to YesWelder and ask them about this because what's the saying? There's some sort of saying about forgiveness and stuff like that. Anyway, get the deal while you can, if you can. That's what that's what the bear has to say. That's all the bear has for you to say. You all take care. God bless. And as always, shine on.